Okay, let's see what kind of traffic we get here. Okay. It's 25 after 3, blizzard. We'll do this for 5 minutes. Okay, should be home. That's 1. We'll go for 5 minutes.
I copied you on route 2 or Mach 2, thank you.
NB Power. Okay. What you hear in the scanner, the RCMP? I should shut it really.
6716, you're good to keep me QA testing.
Come on, all kinds of cars earlier.
Center Road, that's it right now, we're off at OPH.
Four more minutes. Boy, she's bad. Nope, another one. On the truck. Another one on Brunswick. 2, 4. Nope, another one. No cops though. Oh, that shouldn't be on the road. Get the hell out, idiot. If you're still listening to this, you gotta get a life. 3 minutes left. Oh, she's bad. Look at that. It's gonna be a nice walk around the bridge tonight. Oh, there's another idiot. Another car. Going down Brunswick. 2 minutes left. Oh, there.